This video explains the complete examination flow in NexSAA, from setting up an exam to evaluation and results. The process begins in the assessment section, where all examinations are created, managed, and monitored. First, define exam access. You can configure the examination as a private assessment or a public assessment, depending on the intended audience. Private assessments are restricted to specific cohorts and are typically used for institutional or internal examinations. Often selected, assign the exam to the required cohort to control access. Public assessments are designed for open examinations such as hiring challenges or large-scale evaluations. Examiners can be invited by uploading a file with email addresses or by adding emails manually. Next, define the exam structure. Enter the exam name and select the program it belongs to. Examinations in NexSAA are structured using sections. Each section represents a topic, module, or skill area being evaluated. For every section, select the relevant module and skill unit to align the exam with curriculum or role requirements. Choose the question types for each section. NexSAA supports multiple formats including multiple choice, true or false, descriptive, file upload, and programming questions. Questions can be assigned automatically using AI or selected manually. Marks, negative marking, and question distribution are defined at this stage. Review the selected questions before proceeding. In the final step, configure examination rules and scheduling. Enable AI-powered video proctoring or browser proctoring if required. Set the time, zone, pass marks, and define start and end time. Once created, the examination is scheduled and visible on the dashboard. During the examination, NexSAA enforces all configured rules and monitors activity. After completion, responses are evaluated automatically and detailed performance insights are generated. NexSAA manages the entire examination lifecycle from setup and scheduling to secure execution and evaluation.